Hi everyone, my name is Cecília Tivir, co-organizer of PyLadies Maputo chapter, also a researcher in AI and education. I started my journey into the Python community in 2016 when I first met Renata from PyLadies Pua, Brazil. And since then, I've been involved into the Python community activities and also other initiatives that create space and opportunities for women in tech area. I also mentored young women taking their first step into programming, and seeing them grow and believe in their potential has been incredible. And this year, I was honored to receive the Outstanding PyLadies Award, which isn't just about me, but about all incredible women who show up, learn, teach, and build together this amazing community. I would like to thank you to the PyLadies Global and also PyLadies Maputo community and everyone who keeps this movement alive. And I also want to invite you to join to the PyLadies conference this year. And I hope see you on one of our sessions.